Hey health enthusiasts! Ready to make fat loss effortless? Today I'm sharing the top foods that can make losing fat too easy. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about black beans and peppers. This power combo is high in fiber and protein, perfect for keeping you full and satisfied. Imagine starting your day with a savory black bean and pepper scramble. Yum! Next, beef and broccoli. Beef is rich in protein and iron, giving you energy and keeping you full. Pair it with broccoli for a fiber and antioxidant boost. A classic stir-fry never tasted so good and healthy. Moving on, we have spinach or kale salad with avocado. The healthy fats in avocado help you feel full and absorb nutrients from the leafy greens. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your waistline. Greek yogurt with berries is another fantastic option. The high-protein yogurt keeps you full, while the fiber-rich berries add a sweet touch. It's like having dessert for breakfast, guilt-free. Fish tacos with whole wheat tortillas are also a game changer. Fatty fish like salmon provides those amazing omega-3s, and the whole grain tortilla adds extra fiber. Delicious and nutritious. Don't forget chickpeas and vegetables. High in fiber and protein, chickpeas are great for satiety. Pair them with nutrient-dense veggies for a filling, healthy meal. Olive oil, rich in healthy fats, supports weight loss and overall health. Just a drizzle can make your meals more satisfying. Remember, moderation is key. Tea or coffee can also lend a hand. Catechins in green tea and caffeine in coffee may help with fat burning. Enjoy your favorite brew with a bit more purpose. Fatty fish like salmon is not only great for heart health, but can also aid in weight loss. Those omega-3s are your friends. Probiotics found in foods like yogurt and kombucha can help with digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut supports weight management, so don't skip out on those good bacteria. Now, let's talk individual foods. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are high in healthy fats and fiber. Perfect for a quick, satisfying snack. Fatty fruits such as avocados, olives, and coconuts are rich in healthy fats and fiber. Add them to your meals for a tasty boost. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are low in calories and high in fiber. They're excellent for keeping you full without the extra calories. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are high in protein and fiber. They support satiety and weight loss effortlessly. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber and nutrients. They help keep you full and satisfied, making weight management easier. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are essential for successful and sustainable weight loss. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. So there you have it. Foods that make losing fat too easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on healthy living. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.